weeks. Yes, Senator Sifuna. Is it on the same supplementary question or a different
Speaker,
matter?
You know, Speaker, we will
If
not
it is
allow...
a different matter, of course, I won't be able to give you
I just
that
want to make
view.
something clear, Speaker. Verbosity is not detail. If you just throw around words that don't give specific answers to specific questions, you can see he doesn't have an answer to my question.
But he said he will prepare for your question.
He has long stories about housing.
In
They
2
keep
weeks' time,
repeating
which
these
is
things in
okay.
every
That is
forum.
how we
The
conduct
CS will not
business.
get away with this. We want answers to the concerns of the public, not just stories about housing.
Senator Sifuna, you are not a stranger in this Senate. If you ask a CS a question and he has no answer that particular time, he is given time to provide.
Yes, but Speaker,
So what is
it
so
came
strange
from
with
his
the
own
CS for
response.
Treasury?
It came from the same response. I was around when Vision 2030 was prepared. I don't
So
remember.
that is why I'm saying I'm not giving
Just
you
a
a
minute,
leave
Honorable
again
Speaker.
to ask another supplementary question.
Just a minute, Speaker. I don't remember the hiving off of Nairobi National Park being part of Vision 2030 for these projects. So when he speaks about it, he should give us details. So I'm happy I said he'll answer in two
very well.
weeks, but let him not write me long paragraphs. Just give us the
Senator
procedure
Okech.
that was used to hive off the park. That's simple.
Is Senator okay?
No, just a minute.
Yes.
Yes. We won't get the question from the Senator.
Mr. Speaker, I have committed myself.
Yeah, you did
And-
that.
and,
so relax. No problem.
I know Senator Sifuna could have been around when Vision 2030 was being, maybe he was in school. I was around here in the political space. So
Honorable
I have
CS.
probably a better understanding of Vision
Honorable
2030.
CS, Honorable CS, you know, you give your commitment and that's the end of that commitment. You know, you have been to this house, to the house, and also you are a good politician. You have been a party chairman. I know you know how to handle questions from politicians and from other leaders. But once you give your commitment, don't